In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable emojis on Samsung keyboard. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, if a shortcut bar or any emojis have disappeared from your keyboard, it's usually because the toolbar setting was toggled off during a software update. So what you want to do is just open up any application. I'm going to open up my notes. Then on the keyboard area, just go ahead and find your settings wheel cog icon. It's going to bring you to your settings right here. If you don't see it, go to settings and then go to general management and then go to Samsung keyboard settings. Now scroll down until you find the style and layout section, and you're going to see the keyboard toolbar as one of the options. All you want to do is make sure it's turned on like I have right now, and make sure it's not turned off. And if the toolbar is back but the emoji icon specifically is missing, then what you're going to do is go back and then tap the three little dots on the right, and you're going to see a lot of different options. I want to press plus, and then I want to just go ahead and find the emoji icon, and then basically it's going to be right there. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.